Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I interlock my daughter's hair, and I'm going to be combining our locks as well. So probably it's not going to be everything that we'll be showing today because of course she cannot allow me to do everything. She can't, she's quite impatient, and combining a lock does not mean that the locks are having problems or issues or thinning out or any other thing that could make one to combine. It's just basically to reduce the amount of time that I spend interlocking her hair and to reduce the stress that she's obviously experiencing, because I don't know why she just finds it very difficult to sit down for a while throughout the time that I interlock her hair. And the more impatient she is, the more stressed she is, then I will be impatient, I will be stressed too, because it will become increasingly difficult for me to control it or to do the hair perfectly well. So we have decided that we'll do like the other half of her hair today. I cut her hair into 6 parts. This is just to allow me to do it in parts, okay, so that I will know the part I've done and the part I've not done. Obviously it is obviously going to show, but it is still going to help me to know, okay, this is the part I'm going to do today and this is the part I'm going to do next and all that. So I'm sorry for the blurry vision, like the way I'm seeing it, like it looks as if it's blurred, but it's a reflection from the window side because we are using the daylight and the ring light, so I don't know why it's appearing this way, but I do hope that you guys are able to see as much as possible, at least the direction we are taking and all that. So I'm going to stop the voiceover now. At a point I'm sure I started talking in the video so that you understand what I'm doing. All right, later then. But if you're here for the combining of locks, you can skip the video to 3 minutes 50 seconds. That is when I started combining a lock, visually, as in for you guys to see, because these ones that I have been interlocking, I think I've combined them, during our previous interlocking section.
We set out to sea with a map made from a dream on a boat called Love and Wonder. With the wind behind our sails, the harbor wished us well. We went out towards the colors. The waves got turning, we got nervous. All we built was sinking down.
I'm going to be joining these two together, okay? And so we have enough rope, so all I have to do is just hold it like this, twist it, okay? It's probably not going to stay twisted for a long time, but for just this purpose we're going to twist it like this. Her hair is long, so okay, so this place, the loose part is left open. I'm just going to bring up all the strands here. Okay.
But the rain clouds in my memory are drowning out my chance, and I can't take the wheel. I can't tell you what to feel. If I'm the only one who dream this up, then leave me lying here. The waves got turning, we got nervous. All we built was sinking down. It might be time to turn this thing around. It might be time to swim instead of drown. 'Cause I might be time to turn this thing around. It might be time to swim instead of drown. 'Cause I won't waste another moment leaving our ship broken. Won't let another feeling leave my heart unspoken. I can't bear to watch us sink away into this ocean, just waiting to be found. So let's swim instead of drown. We set out to sea with a map made from a dream, on a boat called Love and Wonder. With the wind behind our sails, the harbor wished us well. We went out towards the colors. The waves got turning, we got nervous. All we built was sinking down. It might be time to turn this thing around. It might be time to swim instead of drown. 'Cause I won't waste another moment leaving our ship broken, just waiting to be found. So let's swim instead of drown.
I hope you guys are seeing this. That's why I'm extremely slow. I don't want it to be so fast so that you can learn something. Yeah, this is combined. Yeah, almost done, because even she's impatient. These are already combined, as you can see, so I'm just going to interlock them. These are already combined.
Like going to be done.
You're very done, sorry.
It might be time to turn this thing around. It might be time to swim instead of drown. 'Cause I won't waste another moment leaving all.
Okay, so this one now, I don't want to combine it because our hair grows out. It's still growing out. Our scalp is still expanding, so I'm sure that subsequently we are going to be adding more hair to this particular one, aside from the fact that there's no other strands to merge this one with. But I'm guaranteeing you that by the time our hair continues to grow at the edge, this one is going to expand. Two.
I just want to raise my head up.
You will raise it up. Let's finish. I'm up. Yeah. the hair is parted into 6 parts. Okay, 6 parts. We have 4 left, but as it is, she's not that patient for me to continue. This part was done like 2 days ago, and then we are doing this one today. I don't know where we are going to be through. Okay, so definitely there's going to be part 2 of this video, because I don't want the video to be too lengthy. Already I think it's already more than 10 minutes. Like by the time I edit this video, it's going to be more than 10 minutes, or if not 15 minutes. But let's just stop here, because she's hungry, she wants to watch TV, she wants to go and meet her dad and all that. So this small one at the back, this one here at the back, we are going to come back and fix this, because it's not going to remain like this. So guys, hope you've learned something afresh, something new today. Thank you for tuning in once again. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.